model, 2015 Renault TRAFIC 1.6 DCI long MOT 118 miles spares OR repairs body, white, panel van mileage, 118082 MOT, 15 September 2024 engine, 1598 CCR9M 115E5A transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, electric windows EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07400